So, hi everyone. This is Dang. If you're new here, this vlog is called Mama Dang Tries to Vlog because I try to share whatever I can as a mom and the universe. So, basically, today I'm gonna share with you my Young Living Premium Starter Kit. I was planning to get it last 2018, late 2018. It's when I discovered the brand, but then I was in a different job then, and of course I was seeing Charlie's first year in school, so I was really saving, and then come 2019, I finally got a new job, and I finally said, okay, I'm gonna buy this for myself, for my family. But I got pregnant. So again, it's not really a priority. But now I regret not getting it kasi I should have been using it for a long time, and ngayon I'm just using it for about 2 weeks pa lang. So yeah, last August 13, I finally enrolled to Young Living. And I'm actually doing it on the business side na din kasi, well, we're in a pandemic, so might as well earn. Diba? But once you become a member, you're not really forced into selling it too. You can be just a user, use the 25% rebates every month. So you can just do that. But there's no pressure in selling it. So I'm just gonna link my enrollment link below. Para if you're interested, or you can just message me on Instagram if I don't have work, if I don't have deadlines. So I will reply to you. Naman din if you have inquiries. I will really help you with this journey as I am also learning pa rin naman. So, to start off, I received this box. Okay? So, I kept it para lang dito. And also pala, disclaimer, I put everything back to where it's supposed to be. I think. So, in this box, you get this box. This box. So, I got the Desert Mist Premium Starter Kit. Month of September, it's back. So, you can just, if you're interested with this design, you can just hit me up. I'll explain to you the details and whatnot. So, here is the Desert Mist Diffuser. And inside the box is just this one and the adapter. I'm not gonna show it because I left it in the room. And then, of course, inside the brown box is another box. So this is where the oils are, and also your freebies. So let's open it. I'll show it to you. I'll open it. There you go. And then I'm gonna be careful. Wait, let me see how this opens. Baka mahulog yung eyes. Okay, so if you open it, I'm gonna put it closer to the camera. So if you open it, it's kind of magnetic. So if you open it, oh, there you go. There's the oils. So you get 10 oils, and then inside, okay, wait, I'm gonna be careful. And then inside is another the freebie stuff. So there you go. So I got the Desert Mist, as I have mentioned. And then, of course, inside, there's a freebie oil. It's Stressaway. And then, of course, a sampler of Ningxia. I haven't tried it. I should be putting it inside there after this. And then, if you want roller blends, so you have sample sizes here. So you can one drop this oil, one drop that oil, and then put on a carrier oil. So medyo I'm not into roller blends, I'm just diffusing pa lang. Pero hopefully I learn more. And here is the roller. So you can have different sets. So everything is complete. If you want to explore, there's options to explore. So and then in this box, there's like a message for you as a member. So hindi ko pa rin siya nabubuksan. Eventually, I will read it. So I'll probably leave this on my table para mabasa ko na siya. So we you can see here the seed to seal. So it guarantees that Young Living products are 100% pure essential oils. We're very proud of that. If you put this bottle inside the freezer, it will not freeze. So it means it's pure essential oil. I'm not sure kasi I haven't bought anything synthetic in the mall. Because I really know that this is like the holy grail of essential oil. So I really didn't spend on those cheap ones in the mall kasi nga I know I want to get this one. I've been saving for this and then I got pregnant, whatever, Finally, I have one, so hindi na ako mag-waste ng time to buy those cheap scented oils kasi it's really synthetic, it's not healthy for you and your family. So there, I'm not really spending much. So dahil nga may pandemic, hello. So I'm really eyeing to get oil rack. Pero kasi we have a newborn and I have a young child. So natatakot ako na kapag dinisplay ko yung oils ko in that way, baka mabasag yung oils ko and it's not really cheap. Since I'm being resourceful and since napamahal na nga kami dito mag-asama sa kit na to. So what I do is I put my oils there. And then I just place this kit under the diffuser. I mean, it's 3 layers kasi. So on the second layer, that's where I put the box, this one. And then I put it there. And then cover it. So ganyan. And then there's another layer. There's another layer there, that's where I put the humidifier. Diffuser. That's where I put the diffuser. So I think I'm done setting this up. So I'm gonna show you my favorite blends for nighttime use and daytime use. Also pala, there's also a product guide inside the box. So if you have questions or what oils you want to use, see there's a reference here. Yung oils pala is not limited to just putting it in with a carrier oil or in the diffuser. You can actually put it in a lot of products to get the benefits of it. It's very flexible and it just depends on how you use it. So I'm gonna share with you 5 blends para, you know, when you get the starter kit from me, the link is down below. You can try my favorite blends as well. So let's start with frankincense. Oh, I forgot my inside the box. Ano ba yan? Stressaway. So my top 5 is basically Citrus Fresh and Thieves. So this one. These two are my favorite to diffuse in the afternoon. Here, it's this two. It's Thieves and Citrus Fresh. So it gives a very clean feel in your room in the afternoon. So when you're just chilling there, it's very, very just refreshing kasi it's citrus, diba? In the afternoon, that's what I use. And then next is, you know, very prominent ang colds kasi it's hot, and then it's cold, and then it's hot again, and then it's cold. So what I do is I diffuse when I get my allergic rhinitis. Kasi I don't have RC yet, okay? Sa next year ko pa siya kukunin. So that's the one perfect talaga for allergic rhinitis. So what I do is I mix lemon and peppermint. So this two works like magic. As in very very helpful siya sa allergic rhinitis ko in the morning. So ayan. Sometimes I add Thieves to it then. So that's 3. That's those 3. I blend it. Minsan ito lang talaga. So tinitipid ko to. What else? So I have ano here ha. I have a Codigo kasi syempre, you know, I don't really save it. And then for in the afternoon when Aries is overplayed, I kind of mix lemon and lavender. Lemon and lavender. So that's what I use to calm him down and para ma-refresh din yung room namin. Very ano siya. Nakakakalma din naman siya. Minsan nakakatulog ako when I put him to sleep. Aside from that, I use lavender and frankincense. Ayan, frankincense is one of my favorites. Talaga. Ang dami kong favorite, diba? Parang sana sinabi ko na favorite ko talaga tong 11 oils na to. So, it's ano eh, iba yung amoy niya kasi. It's different. It's very nice. And then, okay. So, ito na yung final blend na ginagamit ko at night. Ito ata mauubos yung lavender ko. Pero, these 3 is what I diffuse na nagustuhan ni Alfonso. So, at night, ito na yung staple ko na ginagamit. Sometimes I change it, pero I just go back to this blend. It's these 3. It's lavender, frankincense, and Stressaway. So with these 3 work like magic. As in, pag dinifuse ko within an hour, tulog na kami. So those are my favorite blends in a diffuser. I haven't really explored the rolling blends kasi I don't have a carrier oil and I really don't have time to create that. So, hanggang diffuse lang ako. Eventually, I will learn. I'm attending the webinars from our support group. So, eto na nga, guys. We have a support group and it's very, very helpful kasi ako, I don't really know much about oils. I mean, before, I've been researching what are the benefits. Pero kasi ang daming available oils ni Young Living. I'm gonna show you again the product guide. So, guys, ang dami talagang products. Wait. Ayan. So, these are the single oils available. So, that's just like one essential oil per bottle. So, wala siyang mix. So, ito na yun. Ganito na yung kadami, guys. See? And then, there are blends, which is a mix of different essential oils already. And then, here is the carrier oil that they sell. I haven't bought it one of these days. So, and then essential oils, there are different diffusers. So, the starter kit comes in 2 diffusers. It's the Desert Mist and this one, the Dew Drop Ultrasonic Diffuser. So, I got this one. Okay? So, that's what I got. Actually, I'm gonna get the owl para itong diffuser, I can put this beside my workstation and diffuse blends that can make me focus while working from home. And then, of course, yung owl, that's for our room. There's also lullaby. So, I guess this concludes my talk talaga. I'm gonna share you can find all the blends kasi ang gulo nung sinabi ko. You can find all the blends that I said on the description box below, and you can also find there my enrollment link. So if you're interested, you can sign up by yourself or you can message me and I can help you sign up. Okay, so I'm doing this on a sideline. I have a day job. Since I got it, there's a business side to it. Why not do it, diba? Kasi guys, sayang naman. Kasi if you can do it on the business side, why not? It's not bad. You just offer it. It's not really scamming. You're not forced to sell it. It's my decision to sell it. And when you become a member, you get 25% discount. So there's when you can also offer the oils alone, you can sell it at the retail price. And yeah, there are rebates. There are 25% off when you buy it and then you can sell it. So that's just how it works. So I can discuss this further when you sign up with me, or if you have a friend who's offering it, ask them. It's not harmful. It's 100% natural. And as a mom, of course, the health of my family is a priority. Kaya this is really an investment for my family, not just for myself. It's not just a luho of a mom. It's really good for everyone in the house. So, kailangan madami tayong diffusers. Joke lang. I can help you if you just want to sign up and be a member and use it as a user. I'll help you with that. And then if you wanted to be on the business, if you want to sell it, offer it to your friends and family and strangers, like what I'm doing to you guys, I think I can help you with that as well. You can message me. I'll help you go through the membership process. If you have questions and inquiries, I'll be gladly helping you out to fill on those gaps that you don't know yet about the product. And if you're very skeptical about it, I can provide you information. I'll leave my Instagram below. I guess yeah, that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and see you on my next vlog. Thank you.